3 decks, 4 terraces, 125 feet of production super yacht that no other builder at this price is even attempting. Built by Azimut in Pesaro, Italy, a company that has been building for 57 years, the Grande Trideck is designed by Alberto Mancini on the outside and M2 Atelier on the inside, and it carries 299 gross tons, which puts it in super yacht classification. Not a large motor yacht, a super yacht. The propulsion system is D2P, diesel to propeller. Azimut says 30% fuel savings over comparable vessels at cruise. That is a real number for a boat this size. Full performance specifications are available at yachtspecsdirect.com. 125 feet overall, 26 feet 2 inches of beam, 3 full deck levels from beach club to sundeck, which means you are standing roughly 30 feet above the water when you are on top. The vertical range of this platform is unlike anything in production. The 4 terraces are what separates this boat. Beach club opens directly to the water at sea level. Main deck aft terrace for outdoor dining. The sea view terrace, Azimut's signature feature on this hull, a fully open panoramic space midship on level 2. And the sundeck above it all. You can put 6 groups of people on this boat and nobody overlaps. 6 staterooms plus a dedicated owner suite. Crew quarters for 3 or more. M2 Atelier designed an interior that moves between dark and light volumes. Formal dining below, an open salon with panoramic windows, and owner quarters with views on both sides. Bottom line, this is a new build super yacht available for July 2027 delivery that redefines what production volume can deliver. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.